Hello guys, I'm Silas. Welcome to my channel SBRC Infosys Nepal. Today I'm going to teach you about how to install SQL Server 2008 R2 Developer Edition. Okay guys, first of all you should have backup file of SQL Server 2008 R2. I have a backup file of SQL Server 2000 R2. You can download from internet. I'm going to install this SQL Server, this PC, then D drive, then software backup. Then I have saved here my SQL Server 2000 R2 Developer Edition. Then when you download this backup file, then you can click on setup, double click on setup file. After that I'm going to minimize this. Okay. It takes some times. Okay guys, please wait while SQL Server 2000 R2 setup process the current operation. Okay, you can click on installation, not planning. Okay, installation. So the installation, then new installation or add feature to an existing installation. Click on this first. Okay. After that, after sometimes you can see next to Windows. It takes some times. And there is next Windows. Okay, I will show you. All are okay. There is no any problem. Then I am going to OK. OK button. I am going to this is minimize and. Please wait while SQL Server 2008 R2 setup process the current operation. It takes some time, guys. Okay, there is all are fine. I'm going to click on next button. Okay, I click on I accept the license terms. Then click next. After that click on install. It takes some times to complete setup support files to complete. Okay, it takes some times. Wait guys. Oh god, how long time it takes. Okay. Again it said please wait. Okay guys, there is next step. There is a warning by firewall. You can disable the firewall. This warning will not show it here. You can uh, practice or practically you can do it, but I'm going to do next button. It is not a big issue, so I'm going to next, again next, and all are, you can check here. I'm going to select all button to select all, then click next. Okay guys, please wait. Okay, I'm going to show details. There is any errors? No errors. Okay guys, I'm going to do next, then again click next. Next step is the disk space requirement. Okay, again next, then okay, next step, server configuration, server browser. I'm going to choose anyone. You can choose automatically or manual. I'm going to choose manual and use the same account for all SQL Server services. You can choose here. I'm going to first option to choose here, then okay, then do next. Okay, database engine configuration. You can directly do next authentication mode, but I am going to mixed mode. Here I am going to enter passport. You can enter any passport. I am going to enter passport SA123. You can enter any passport, and same as passport, I am going to enter confirm passport, which is enter in same as passport, and add current user. Then you can do next button. After that, okay, after that you can again add current user, then next, again next, again next. Okay guys, so details, there is no errors. Okay, then I'm going to do next. Finally you can click on install button. It takes some times to complete the installation. I'm going to pause this video. I think it takes minimum 10 minutes, depend on your computer processor, how is your fast computer. So that's it takes some times to complete installation. Okay guys, there is complete installation, successfully installation. You can in this way you can install SQL Server 2008 R2. I hope you guys in this video is helpful for you. Please don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe my channel, and please comment on below if you are interested in this channel. Then you can search SBRC Nepal. My channel name is. Okay guys, have a nice day. Bye bye.